wanted to test this Google AI mode. So I'll start by, I don't know JavaScript, but I want to try something here. I want to try to make a little game controlling the direction, what the directions coming down, so left, right, up, down, and I want to do that with they're going to kind of come through the center of the screen, and then as we increase in level, I want letters from the keyboard to also incorporate into that. As we go up in the level, different letters will pop up, and we want that to be able to be continuous. So what we're going to try is to let Google's AI mode, Gemini, create a JavaScript game for us. So let's see, how can we prompt this? Let's wonder if it's A through Z or A through Z. Let's start there. Okay. Game.js. Let's give it a name. Directional. Let's see what it suggests for a name. Rhythm Reflex. Rapid key, rhythm reflex. Let's do, okay, that works. Let's call it rhythm reflex. Okay. Good deal. So this is our main code. Okay. Okay, use code with caution. Okay. Let's see. So I'm going to open our Notepad++, and we're gonna put these in there. Let's add. HTML. Let's grab that. Put this in here. We're gonna just put it in there, and we want to. Oh, let me drag that over so you get to see it. So there. Let's grab this, and we want to call it Rhythm Reflex. So that's what we're going to save it as. Copy this, and then we're going to let's save it to the desktop in Platformer. Save as Platformer. Ugh. Let's go ahead and create a new folder there. Do this here. Okay. Then let's go in there and we'll HTML, and we're going to save that here. Okay, let's go back to, let's move this out of the way. That's our file there. Okay. Put these in there, basic styling. Okay, that's the one that we have here, I believe. Let's move that there, like so. Wanted to move this over here. Okay. Yeah. So this is our first file that we put in. Let's see. This is how you might approach the core components. Okay. Project structure, index.html. Okay. Your main HTML file to set the game canvas and link your JavaScript files. Game.js. This will be your main game logic, handling game state, input, rendering, and level progression. This file will hold data related to your game assets, images, paths, sound paths. I was just wondering about that. How can I put sound in it? Letter key direction for styling your game. Elements canvas, score display. I wonder if we can keep it in a single file. Okay. Let's see. Yes, you can absolutely create a single file. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that's all of our key code 71. Okay. Let's copy this. And then we're going to overlay that in here. Control V it, save it, and we want to look at that folder. Desktop. Actually, let's go to platformer in here. Let's see what it does. Overload your score. What? This page says. Okay. Let's refresh. Wonder why. Ooh. Okay. So it's not. It's your input whenever what you're going by is as if it's at the top, and we need that to be in the reverse. We want the bottom input to be the one that we. It's pretty good though. It's pretty good little game to start out with because we didn't define that. We're going to now. So we want the bottom input to be the one that falls off the screen. Then we want our next direction to be the next one, so on and so forth. We basically want it to be. Let's see how that goes. Great job. Awesome. Good job. Let's keep one input at a time. It should be the input that is closest to the bottom of the screen. Okay, let's see what it does. Put it all together. The game can be Stack Overflow. I went on Stack Overflow like 3 times. Nope. Okay, so we still got it in a single file. Oop. Got our directions. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if it works. So we're gonna go. Oh, I guess I should show this part too, huh? So we're gonna go in here, Control A, back, Control B. Okay, so this is the updated file. Save it. Then we're gonna go back in. I did close that. Yes. Then we're gonna reopen it. And pop up. So it should be. Ah, it's still doing the. Actually, that's still kind of fun. Wow, it gets really fast. Oh, Q. Oh, that's pretty impressive, actually. Pretty impressive. Let's see. I'm getting a call. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Simple see if they can add just a little some kind of something like that. Okay. Initialize. Okay, so that might be a little bit more extensive. But that's pretty impressive. Let me see. If you want to see the code that they have, we'll go down slow and let it pause. So we're down to 60. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to 117 or close to it. Scroll down to 174 or close to it. Oh, that's the end of the code. Okay. So that's pretty cool. That did work from a pretty minimalistic prompt. I like how it also incorporated progressive speed. That's pretty cool. But one way or another, that's today's project. I'll probably try testing out more prompting or vibe coding, where I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Just trying to give it a prompt, see if it can code something, put it together. It looked like it had pretty good instructions too. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, just give it a shot.